Hey everyone, Tom here from HID Projectors. We are wrapping up this set of Nissan Frontier Stage 2s, and I'm going to go through some of the wiring here just so everyone has an idea of what to expect and how to hook all these up. So this has just been wrapped with a nice clear plastic to protect the lens from shipping. These have been tested and ready to go. On the back of the light, I'll show you how easy these are to install. So you're going to have a dust cap, which is this right here. Your stock turn signal plugs, which will just plug in with the stock ones. You've got a turn signal over here and your parking light over here, and then you're going to have a series of wires coming out. Remember, this is the Stage 2. So the first thing to look for is this nice blue plug. This is a 9007 socket. It will plug right into your stock 9007 socket coming from your vehicle's wiring harness. This is going to give you low beam and high beam. Plug and play, ready to go. Now you have two more components here. You have the angel eyes, which are going to be here. And then you're going to have the devil eyes, which are going to be here. In this case, you've got red devil eyes, and it's a smaller plastic driver. And then you've got the angel eyes. These are the switchback angel eyes, and they come with these nice metal drivers, and they're labeled. They're also color coded, so when you flip them over, you'll see a blue pen mark, and you'll see a green pen mark. The green is going to be for the larger ring, the blue is for the smaller ring. That's so you don't mess up the drivers, which are coded to the size of the ring. Now, coming off of the end of the drivers, you're going to have something that looks like this. 3 simple connections. Your black is ground, your red is your switched 12-volt power source, and your yellow is going to be your turn signal. So there are lots of different ways to connect these. We provide you these T-taps. You don't have to use them. They slide right out. You can crimp them onto an existing circuit and then just pop them in and you're ready to go. Or you can cut, splice, solder, whatever you'd like to do. Most people will take the black wire straight to a ground. The red wire, if they want their white daytime running light to be on all the time, they may run it to, say, the fuse block and tap into maybe the radio fuse using an add-a-fuse circuit. That's really easy to do. And then the yellow wire gets crimped right onto the existing turn signal circuit in your vehicle's wiring. So you'll need to identify that and then just tap into that. That's all there is to it. A different way that is sometimes used is you can go right to the parking light circuit. So anytime you turn on your parking lights on your vehicle, your angel eyes will be on. So that's a simple solution that doesn't really require any extra wiring, and just about anyone can do this. Now, if you're not comfortable using a T-tap, please stop and get a professional installation. We've had customers who have tried to use these, and I've seen horrible results, which is really a simple thing to do. You just pop this open, crimp it, and plug it in. I don't know how you can mess that up, but it has happened. So please, if you are not comfortable with basic automotive wiring, don't try to do it if you're not comfortable, because you will avoid any issues that may come up. But we're here to help you. Give us a call, we'll walk you right through it. We can even walk you through it on the phone. Then for the devil eye, same kind of situation. 3 wires, black to ground. Red usually goes to a switch because you want to be able to turn that devil eye on or off whenever you'd want it to. And then the white wire is a cutoff wire, totally optional. You can use this wire to automatically shut the devil eyes off. So for example, say you want the devil eyes on, but when you turn your headlights on, you want the devil eyes to turn off. Well, then you just tap this into the positive low beam source on your headlight, and then it will automatically turn off the devil eye. Of course, there's full instructions on our website under the help section. There are videos of the install. There's plenty of walkthroughs. We're here to help with any answers, but I would just want to take a minute to take this video. Again, we did have a customer who had some really interesting issues come up, and I think it warranted a video to just walk through all this. So if you have questions, please stop. Don't start cutting things. Call us, 716-662-3479. This has been designed to be extremely easy to install if you have basic wiring knowledge, basic vehicle knowledge. If you do not, then it is highly recommended that you seek professional installation. And again, this is not a difficult install for anyone who has some relative experience, okay? So I do want to make sure that that is very clear and kind of leave it at that. So please give us a call. We're here to help. The last thing we want is for a customer to think that they're on their own. Your success is our success. Let's work on it together. Thank you for watching.